Open the printer door. Pull out the film drawer. Release the accumulator by pressing the blue tabs together. Lift and swing it to the right. Lower the locking tab and remove the film. Raise the locking tab and return the accumulator. Push the drawer home and close the printer door. Remove the input hopper. Remove the protective paper from both sides of the cleaning card. Place the cleaning card under the card input roller. Press the right button and then the left button twice to see Toolbox. Press the right button and then the left button to select Clean Lam. Press the right button to start the cleaning routine. The printer display will show cleaning Laminator during the routine, which lasts approximately 20 seconds. The cleaning card will be drawn into the printer. Here, the cleaning card can be seen moving through the laminator. At the end of the routine, the cleaning card will be ejected. The laminate material can now be loaded.